Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is an open collab that is being hosted by Homebody with Forlisa, and she asked us to do a 4th of July bar cart. So here is my version of the 4th of July bar cart. I'm using some things from a previous video, some 4th of July things from a previous video, and I will include that link below. So I hope you enjoy this bar cart. I didn't have a bar cart at the house, so I found something, and baby girl moved out, so she left a few things. So I found something in her bedroom that I thought I could use as a bar cart or a drink station, and so this is my version of that. I hope you all like it, and leave me your comments and let me know what you think. But I thank you for riding with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you all in my next production. Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without